Hi, my name is Jay Williams. I'm the Vice President of the Shipyard and Marine Programs here at Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum. I started here at the museum in early January 2025, and this is a very exciting place to be. Behind me you can see Winnie Estelle. She's our major ongoing restoration project here at the museum, and in the 5 months I've been here, I've been able to see her really take shape. When I got here, Winnie didn't have a bottom on her at all. And today, we're about 50% through planking her. You can see that unlike most boats that you see that are planked with wood, these planks run 90 degrees to the direction of the upper planks. And there's some good reasons for that. These boats were built locally, out of locally cut lumber, and it's really a lot easier to find a piece of wood that's this long than something that's that long. So it's material saving. And it also leads to a really robust construction. This boat is effectively solid wood all the way back to here. There's a lot of structure. We have the keel underneath, and then it's planked. There's a little void in here with a drain. It's just a little space about the size of a watermelon or a paint can. And that's about it. So it's really beefy and bulky. If you take a look back behind me, you can see where the paint stops, and that's where we're building planks right now. These planks, you can see that there are numbers on the ends of them. They're dry fit. So what Tom has done is he's heated them up with a torch. You can see they're charred a little bit. The torch heat, instead of steam, allows him to get a really complex compound twist on them without putting them in a steam box. What happens is that with the torch, it actually heats up the moisture inside of that plank and allows the plank to twist in a way that it otherwise couldn't. So he has cut them to size, mounted them and dry fitted them, and they're numbered so that he knows what plank goes in each place. And then he'll take them out, finish them, and put them back in on a permanent basis. We use bronze bolts, bronze screws to put this together. Bronze is really kind to wood when it's soaking in salt water. If we use steel or iron, we get what's called iron sickness, which causes rot in the wood from electrolysis. So Winnie Estelle is a special project for the museum. We're moving along through this as fast as we can, and once she's operational, you'll be able to go out on her as a passenger. We'll be running her from the museum as a tour boat. So if you're interested in these projects, please come out and see them in person. Chesapeake Bay Maritime Museum has an open shipyard. You can come down here, get some sawdust on your shoes, ask the shipwrights questions, and you can see some of the other really interesting projects we're doing. Over to my left, we have Rosie Parks. Her mast has just gone up today. They're putting sails on her. And to my right, we have the tall ship Providence. She's based in Alexandria, Virginia, and we're doing some major rigging reconstruction work and interior reconstruction on her. There's always something fascinating going on here at the museum. Whether you plan a visit or just drop in, you're going to see something fun.